Good morning, everybody. It's Lady B here. Look how much snow we've ended up with, and it's not even finished yet. I just got up a little bit ago, and I went out last night at 10 o'clock and I shoveled. It was snow and slush then, but an hour later you couldn't even tell that I'd even been out. But this is my front porch. This is my my rail on my porch. And I don't know if you can see that, but it says, about 20. So we're gonna, I don't like walking on my steps or my sidewalk before I clean it off. Not yet. She's still asleep. I'll get it after a while. Don't worry about it. My son was gonna come out and shovel, but I gotta wait because the girl upstairs usually sleeps until later because she works till about 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh my goodness. And here I am. I can't wear shoes that have backs in it because of my injury to my leg. So I don't think I'm going to go any farther than this. There's my van. And out there somewhere there is a road. And we're still supposed to get 1 to 3 on top of what we've already got. So you can't even get anywhere. So I'm going to quit for now. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. Hello again, everybody. Lady B again. I don't know if you can see that, but it says right about 9 inches. I think there's got to be more. I don't know. But anyhow, I'm going to walk out this way. My son did shovel the sidewalk. And that is what is left of the road. It's still snowing. We're still supposed to get, somebody told me, up to 3 inches more before it stops. And there's my van. And there's the rest of the road. There's very few cars out today. Very few. And it's supposed to get to 3 tonight. So I'm hoping all those thousands of people that are without power, that they get their power back on to keep their water from freezing. We've been lucky enough to keep power on. But this is one hell of a snowstorm. And I certainly wish that this is the last of it, but you never know. I've seen snow way up into April sometimes. But I think I'm going to clean off my van. First I've got to shovel the driveway out, the rest of it anyhow. I don't want to leave that snow on there because it's where it's going to get so cold tonight, it'll all turn to ice. So I'm going to go inside and get me some hot chocolate ready for when I get back in the house, and I'm going to come and dig myself out, even though I'm not going anywhere today. Trust me on that one. So Kat, this is especially for you. Let me see that tree over there. It's real pretty. See if I can zoom in on it. Okay, Kat, I hope this is enough snow for you. I'm sorry you're way down south and don't get to enjoy it with us. But I'd gladly send it to you. But anyhow, I'm going to get off of here, and I don't think I'll be doing any more filming. So, thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Everybody stay safe and stay warm. Bye.